Hello mga loves! Welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, Jet. So for today's vlog is mag-unboxing tayo sa aking nabili na Taste the Difference Air Roaster Fryer. The original price is $499.99. It's in money, but I got it on sale for $299.99. I ordered it through online. I ordered Sunday evening and arrived on the following day, Monday morning. Nakalagay sa packing slip if in case kung i-return yung product. So, it's time for our unboxing now. Perfect na perfect itong mga loves sa mga mahilig kumain ng french fries, nuggets, bacon, sausages, ham, hotdog, at iba pa. Pero oil-free. So, maganda itong mga loves sa mga healthy conscious. And at the same time, pwede kayong magluto dito ng pizza, barbecue, makakapag-roast kayo ng mga vegetables and chicken. Pwede din magluto ng cake dito o saan ka pa. Instruction manual and inspiration guide. We have the skewers, pots, and ito yung rod. And the rotisserie cage. And then the bottom. When you open it, iaangat mo. Still got some thing inside. So, let's check what's inside. This is the rotisserie tumble fryer, and this is the tong. Yan. And this is the skewer rack, the grill rack, and lastly the grill tray. This one is removable. We're gonna place like this or like that. Ito yung laman lahat sa loob ng box. Yan, ang dami niyang accessories. And ito yung loob ng ating air fryer. Tsaka yan yung sa ano niya, sa cover. And then when you open it, iaangat lang siya. Yan. So, let's try to turn on the appliance, how it look like. Yan. And nag-beep yung power and umilaw at the same time. So, let's see how it look like kung ipipress natin yung power button. So, yan yung lalabas sa LED display. Meron siyang DIY. We have nuts, chicken, cake, skewer, steak, french fries, and fish. So, let's try to choose a menu. Yung first na press natin sa menu, so pupunta siya sa DIY. And the next one goes to nuts. If you notice mga loves, automatic nagsisit siya ng ilang minutes and then yung temperature. So let's try the chicken. So yan yung chicken. The next one is cake, skewer, steak, french fries, fish. And If gusto nating iset yung temperature, kung gusto nyong baguhin, so press the temperature. We can reduce the temperature or we can set it higher. Yan. And sa time, kung gusto nating i-change, press the time. We can increase the time or we can reduce the time. And let's try to press the start, how it look like. Yan. And automatically, iilaw sa ilalim. So, makikita natin kung anong hitsura ng ating niluluto. Let's cancel. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood mga loves. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!